Obesity. Many of us are always worried about obesity. How do we take care of obesity? What do we do to prevent or treat obesity? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are taking good care of your health and are benefiting from these videos. If you have still not subscribed to my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are already an existing subscriber, then thank you very much for returning to see my another video. So, today I'll be talking about obesity. Friends, last time we talked about obesity. What is the cause of obesity? What are the consequences of obesity? How do we measure obesity? Today, we will be talking about how do we prevent or treat obesity. If you have not watched my video on the causes and consequences of obesity, I'll give a link in the description box. You can go and watch that video also. So let's talk about the prevention and treatment of obesity. So friends, before starting with the actual changes that you should make, let me tell you first, there is no shortcut to a healthy body. Please stop looking for the shortcuts. Whatever I am going to suggest in my subsequent video, please remember, even if you are not able to make all the changes in your lifestyle or your diet, but whatever changes you are making, they should be sustainable. So let's start with the treatment or prevention of obesity. The most important thing to remember is to prevent or treat obesity, that you have to follow a good healthy lifestyle. Friends, lifestyle changes are the most important thing that you need to do to reduce your weight or to prevent obesity. Lifestyle changes means you have to make some changes in your dietary habits and in your physical activity. That means you have to start following a healthy routine, a healthy diet and physical activity routine. Wait, do not panic. This doesn't mean that you have to drastically change your diet or start exercising, start going to the gym for 2 hours or 3 hours a day. But whatever changes you do, we suggest that the changes should be slow. You can even start by making one change at a time. But whatever changes you do, remember the most important point is that you should sustain those changes throughout your life. Even if you make drastic changes in your lifestyle for 1 month or 2 months, but you are not able to sustain those changes, then you will regain all that weight that you have lost in those 1 or 2 months. And in fact, most people, they tend to regain even more weight. So they become even more obese as they were at the beginning of their treatment. So remember, there are no shortcuts to be healthy. There are no shortcuts to a healthy body. What the key is that you have to continue having your healthy lifestyle, that is continue following a healthy diet and regular physical activity routine. So here are some tips. So firstly, what you do is you try to reduce the number of calories that you are taking. That means you have to count each and every calorie that you are consuming throughout the day. That calories may be coming from your liquids, they may be coming from your food, your snacks, whatever calories you are consuming. Try to reduce the number of calories. Generally we say in females, we say that the number of calories required are about 1200 kilocalories per day when they are trying to lose weight. They may be reduced even lower to this value if you are very obese. Then in males, generally we say the number of calories required per day are about 1400 to 1600 if you are obese and if you are trying to lose weight. So the first thing is to reduce the number of calories. So this means you have to avoid high calorie foods. High calorie foods means the foods which have sugar in them, that is sweets, any juices, cold drinks, then the foods which processed foods, especially the fried foods. So all these foods should be avoided. Secondly, friends, remember, try to have small frequent meals. Do not consume large amount of food at a single time. Do not skip your meals. What happens is when you skip your meal, you generally end up eating even a heavier meal whenever you eat next. Also, remember to have plenty of fluids throughout the day. Try to have at least 2 to 3 liters of fluid per day. But do not substitute this water with other drinks like juices or cold drinks. Friends, remember, even the drinks, that is juices, cold drinks, they have lot of calories, so they should not substitute your water. Try to include a lot of vegetables and fruits in your diet. Generally we say that you should try to include the variety, means you try to make your salads, your fruit salad or your other vegetables more colorful. So try to add as many number of colors as possible. That would give you a number of nutrients. It will make your diet very nutritional. Still, if you feel that you are following all these steps but you are still not able to control your weight or lose your weight, then try to maintain a food diary. That means make a diary, try to write each and everything that you have consumed. Means even if you have taken one small candy or just a bite of a snack, you should write it in that. That way we will know that how much calories are you consuming or where are you making a mistake, whether you are taking something some high calorie food unknowingly. So next important thing in your lifestyle changes is your physical activity. Remember, physical activity can be of two types. One is the dedicated workout that we do, and second is the to stay active throughout the day. Generally we say that you should try to stay active throughout the day. Means if you are going to the market, if it is not too far, try to walk there, do not use a vehicle. If you are going to the office, try to park your vehicle a little further away from the office so that you are able to walk to your office, or you can try and use the stairs instead of the lift whenever you are going to mall or if your office is on a top floor. Other than this, try to play with the children or try to do as much as household work as possible. You can do some physical activities while watching TV or while talking on the phone, while waiting for your train or plane at the airports. Wherever possible, try to remain active throughout the day. You should also do a dedicated physical activity. Dedicated physical activity means just to stay healthy, you should be exercising for at least 30 minutes a day for 5 days a week. This is the minimum activity required to stay healthy. But if you want to lose weight, you should do exercise for at least 60 to 90 minutes a day. And what type of exercise should you do? Generally we say it should be a moderate to high intensity exercise. That means you should either walk briskly. Brisk walk means either you are able to walk at least 100 steps in a minute, or you are able to cover about 2.5 to 3 kilometers over half an hour. You can go for a jogging, cycling, swimming. You can play a game like football or badminton. You can do aerobics or dance. Friends, remember, you don't have to spend this 1.5 hour together. Even if you do exercise in small breaks, of even 10 minutes each, then also you will be able to lose weight. But those 10 minutes that you are dedicating should be such that you are able to get at least a moderate to high intensity workout from those 10 minutes. Again, like I said while discussing diet, you do not make drastic changes in physical activity. That means if you are not exercising at all, just don't start exercising directly for 1.5 to 2 hours a day. Start slowly. You may start with 15 to 20 minutes a day. Then every week you may increase that time by 10 minutes per day. That way it will adjust your body to the exercise and you will be able to sustain those changes for a longer time. So lastly, remember, try to make some friends who are health conscious or who are fitness conscious, and you can go for exercise with those friends so that your routine is not broken. Friends, remember, if you are trying to lose weight but are not able to do it, or if you are just starting with these changes and you feel you may be having some problems, you are physically having some problems, you should see your doctor to get yourself evaluated, that whether there is any hormonal cause of obesity and or whether your body has already had some consequences of obesity. After seeing the doctor, you can start with your lifestyle modification, and in consultation with your doctor you may start with some tablets, or even in extreme cases you may be suggested about bariatric surgery, that is the surgery to lose weight, but that will be in consultation with your doctor only. So in the end, I'll again say that there is no shortcut to a healthy body. So try to live a healthy lifestyle. The things that I have discussed today, try to follow them 90% of the time in your life. So this way, even if you are not able to lose weight, but you will have a healthy body and you will be able to prevent the consequences, the diseases that are associated with obesity for a long time. So that's all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the like icon and share my videos. So wish you all a good luck.